Hello everyone, welcome back to our English lesson series. Today we're learning about procedure text. A procedure text explains how to do something step by step. And for today's example, we learn how to make a cup of coffee. So let's get started. First, let's understand the structure of a procedure text. It usually has three parts. First, the goal, what you want to achieve. Second, the materials, what you need. Third, the steps, the instructions in order. Language features include using imperative sentences like add sugar or pour water, using connectors like first, then, finally, using simple present tense. Goal: how to make a cup of coffee. Materials: 1 teaspoon of coffee, 1 teaspoon of sugar, hot water, a cup and a spoon. Steps: first, put 1 teaspoon of coffee into the cup. Then add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Next, pour hot water into the cup. After that, stir the coffee and sugar until they dissolve. Finally, your coffee is ready to serve. Enjoy! That's it! You've just learned how to write a procedure text and make a cup of coffee. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Next time, we learn about hortatory exposition. See you in the next video.